Hello, fourth grade scholars and families. Welcome to our class's website. This website will be available for students and parents to use throughout the school year. It includes important information about what students are learning during the school day and provides wonderful resources to help students continue to grow at home. Let's take a look together. The first page we are going to look at is the home page. You'll find a brief introduction to our fourth grade class, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll find this introduction video. And towards the bottom, you'll find the class news. This section has a lot of important information like the class newsletter. These newsletters are updated monthly and will provide information about what students are focusing on for each subject, any upcoming events like holidays or assemblies, and it will also highlight the student of the month. Next, you'll find direct links to the school website and the district calendar. The lunch menu will also be updated each month. You can click on any of these highlighted links. For example, if you click on the school website, it will take you directly to the school's website. Now let's take a look at the rest of the website. If you'll notice, there is a page or tab at the top of the website that is dedicated to each main subject, and each page follows a similar format. Each section will describe the skills that students in fourth grade will be learning, followed by resources to websites for each subject. Once you click on the second page, you'll get to the reading and writing section. At the top, it explains some of the things that students will be learning during the school year. For example, students will be focusing a lot on finding the central themes or ideas in a text. Next, we will see some of the helpful resources which can be clicked on to take you to the website. One that the students tend to enjoy is Scholastic News, and it is something that they can explore at home more. For writing, students will be learning all about the writing process as they practice different forms of writing like opinion writing, informative writing, and narrative writing. Toontastic is a great resource for students to practice their writing skills where they can create stories and make their own cartoons. I also posted some reading and writing tips that you can explore at home. The third page is the math section. At the top, again, you'll find some of the math skills that the students will be learning during the school year, such as solving word problems that require multiple steps, and we will also be focusing a lot on fractions. Then you'll find a bunch of resources at the bottom. These are very helpful websites, and the students use them at school, so they should be quite familiar with them. FunBrain is a favorite among students, and that website also has resources for other subjects as well. At the bottom, you'll find something really exciting: student-created math videos. The students will occasionally get the opportunity to create instructional math videos to help with homework because sometimes it's hard for a student to remember everything that they learned during school. So these videos will be very helpful, and the students take a lot of pride in getting the opportunity to show what they know to their classmates and their family members. The last page is the Science and Social Studies section. In the fourth grade, students will be learning all about the scientific method and doing a lot of research and experiments throughout the school year. Below, you'll find quite a few science resources. You'll notice a few Bill Nye the Science Guys, which is personally one of my favorite resources. And there are also a lot of video resources, which I made sure to mark because I know a lot of students in the class really enjoy watching them. Next up, we have social studies. And again, there's a lot to learn in social studies this year. We will definitely be learning a lot about California missions and the gold rush. So the students will be doing a lot of research projects and working with primary and secondary sources to gain a deeper understanding about events and historical figures. Dexter's is an incredible site with a lot of information about California history that's really easy for students to understand. So I would definitely recommend this site. And finally, you will find a gallery of the science and social studies work that students are working on during the school day. This section will be updated regularly, and students really take a lot of pride in their work, so I'm sure you'll find yourself in this section frequently. And that's all there is for our class website. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.